Welcome to my presentation of the differences between Thai and English. I will overview some of the difficulties that Thai learners may have in learning English, and likewise some of the difficulties English listeners might have in understanding Thai speakers of English. Thai is the national language of Thailand and has some 50 million speakers. It is part of the Thai language family, spread through a wide area of Asia, from northern Vietnam to northern India. Thai, like Chinese, is a tonal language, with the meaning of each syllable being determined by the pitch at which it is produced. It is written in an alphabetic script from left to right, but the words are not separated by spaces other than when indicating a form of punctuation. Let us look now at some of the differences or some of the reasons why Thai speakers of English maintain a Thai accent when speaking English. The rhythm and stress. Every syllable in Thai carries a fixed tone. The Thai person's English tends to sound staccato as they put emphasis on the second or last syllable of polysyllabic words. Let's listen to these examples. The word shopping and computer. Here the Thai speaker emphasizes quite clearly the second syllable in shopping and the third syllable in computer. English, on the other hand, has a wide variety of syllabic emphasis. Take, for example, these words: pronunciation, syllable, intonation, nasal, consonants, review. Intonation in English is especially important. Since Thai is basically a monosyllabic language, this tends to affect the speaker's accent in English, making the person sound more brusque and abrupt than intended. In particular, Thai speakers would need to be taught how to use intonation to indicate politeness. Let's look at the phonology. There are significant differences between the phonological systems of Thai and English, which make pronunciation difficult. L and R, for example. Thai speakers tend to substitute L for R, with the classic example, red lorry, yellow lorry, which would become led lolly, yellow lolly. Other consonants tend to be approximated to the closest consonant, and in the case of a consonant cluster such as ch, words beginning with the ch sound, such as church, would be especially problematic for Thai speakers of English. They would often use the sound sh. If a Thai speaker said, this is sheep, it does not cost so much, the English speaker would of course know what the Thai speaker is meaning, but it would just not sound correct. Consonant clusters. In the case of consonant clusters, Thai does not contain as many consecutive consonants as English does. Because of this, consonants tend to be approximated. We listen to this example. The word Facebook loses this in the middle, which almost becomes a T sound very silently. Or consonant clusters can also be separated in examples such as drive, which becomes derive, or crime, crime. The R's might also become L's. Or they can be dropped completely, where in this example of box, the X is lost and it becomes bo. 7-Eleven, for example, could become se ele. Diphthongs in English present a challenge for Thai speakers. Here the O diphthong sounds become similar to other diphthong sounds, such as in the example of show, Thai speakers would make it sound very much like show, and since they drop the T at the end of words, or the consonant at the end of words, this would make it difficult for an English speaker to understand, because these three words would end up sounding very similar. Show, show, show. So to train in Thai speakers of English in pronouncing the different diphthongs would be especially important to make them more easily understood. Let's look at the orthography and grammar very briefly. In Thai, as mentioned before, there is no punctuation and words are written together. This, of course, would make it especially difficult for Thai learners of English to correctly punctuate sentences. To learn where the beginning and end of a sentence is would be difficult, leading to errors of omission. Time and tense. In Thai, the verb has no inflected forms, so English therefore presents a challenge to Thai learners. In the example, she go already, instead of she went already or she has gone already, the Thai speaker would tend to use the only one form of the verb go. In Thai, there are also no articles, which is problematic and therefore difficult to know when to use them and when not to use them. He is a very nice man, or he is a very nice man. Pronouns as well in the third person are not gender specific in Thai, so a Thai speaker of English would tend to use these interchangeably, mixing up the meaning, which is terribly confusing for an English listener. I have used Swan and Smith's book, Learner English, and I'd like to thank you for listening.